Commercial loan origination software. What is it? Who uses it? What are the common features and benefits? Let's go ahead and dive in, okay? Commercial loan origination software, not to be confused with consumer loan origination software, though they're similar. There's a different video for consumer loan origination software. Commercial loan origination software is a loan origination software platform, a software platform that is used and designed for organizations that are doing corporate financial products. Okay, so there are consumer financial products, someone borrowing money for a car, to buy a house, maybe to get married or to move across country or to redo their home. These are corporate financial products. So these are lending products like a loan on a commercial building, loans on equipment, maybe loans for working capital for a business, but loans that are designed for a business and not a consumer. Okay, so when we talk about commercial loan origination, these are typically used by finance organizations, either brokers or lenders, that are trying to collect documents and undergo the application process for a borrower they're working with. Okay, so a good example would be a brokerage or lending institution that is trying to find a borrower to buy a building. Let's say that borrower is an investor, or they want to buy the building their office is in. They need to get what we call a commercial mortgage to buy the building. That is a corporate loan. The finance organization that you're going to be working with, the software platform they're using would be a commercial loan origination software platform. Okay, so that's a nice example of someone who uses that platform. It could be a broker. A broker is someone that will help you find that loan from a bank, or it'll be directly the bank or the private lending institution that will use that commercial loan origination software. Okay, a few features of commercial loan origination software. It really handles the application process, the front end application process. So maybe there are some website applications. Through the website application, maybe it pulls your credit, maybe it looks at your financials, maybe it'll ask you where you're trying to buy that piece of property or that piece of land or that piece of equipment. Okay, so it's everything that revolves around the application process. A cool few features are website forms integrated into the commercial loan origination software platform. Okay, so if you have forms on your website or you're filling out a form on a website, all of your information will go into the commercial loan origination software platform. Okay, another few features are electronic signature. If you're going to fill out an application and that application needs to be signed, you're going to have some sort of e-signed platform built into that commercial loan origination system. Okay, you may have some emailing, you may have some text messaging, maybe there's some third-party vendors that software will work with, like I said, to pull credit or to pull financial data or to pull any data maybe on the piece of equipment or that piece of property. Okay, what are some of the benefits of commercial loan origination software platform? It really helps streamline the application process for the brokerage firm or the lending institution. If there was no commercial loan origination software platform, you're going to have to make phone calls by hand, send emails by hand, collect documents via email, which isn't technically the most secure way to do it. There's a lot of manual processes that go in collecting application data from a borrower for a commercial loan. So the commercial loan origination software platform helps manage that process, streamlines that process, does quite a bit of automating of that process, so I can send a borrower a link or a web page and everything happens mostly automatically. Okay, so a few things about loan origination software, commercial loan origination software platform that you can kind of look at. So in conclusion, a commercial loan origination software platform is a platform that commercial lenders, corporate lenders use to collect information and data from a borrower during the application process. Here at Centrex Software, we have a phenomenal commercial loan origination software platform. If you are a commercial lender or a commercial bank of any kind, you can check out Centrex Software and we will give you a live demo of all the great features and benefits of the Centrex Software platform.